So here's the bag, and they have a knot in here. So let me put you on pause so that I can concentrate and open it up. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the moment we've been all waiting for. We're going to open up the bag and take a look at the new family. Let's check out the bag. The bag is nice and clean. There's no Klingons. It smells clean. Very nice. And let's take a look at our new family members. I know they like to Klingon, but we have to make sure. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. You did a beautiful job in shipping me out my worms. I really appreciate it. If you need worms and you want good composting worms, go visit Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. You can find them at www.unclejimswormfarm.com. And if you want any questions answered, give them a call. 1-800-373-0555. Okay, thanks. See you around. Bye for now.